So 25% tariff it is on exports from India, as Trump has been threatening over recent days. And clearly between then and now, the Indian government has not been able to offer Trump something more that would reduce this level or put off this high level of tariffs. The US government really wants India to throw open its market to agricultural produce from the US. That is something that's a red line for India. It has been emphasized time and again through a number of rounds of talks between trade officials between the two countries. India has not given in on this earlier, and it has not been able to give in on this at the last minute. And of course, it does not appear that India can in times to come. So this is something that India will have to live with for now. And of course, 25% is not necessarily the final figure. Trump has threatened more. He has threatened penalties over India's defense and trade ties with Russia, particularly import of oil from Russia. This has not been a concern for the US for stretches when the US and President Trump particularly had close ties with Putin, with many conversations happening. But now that Trump and Putin are not quite on the same terms of being friendly chums that they were for a stretch earlier, this has now become a problem for India. The problem, of course, would go away if India were to give up this import and buy from the US, instead buy more and more defense equipment from the US, give up its restrictions on agricultural imports, and really, in short, do what Trump wants. And this is a problem going ahead. This position of Trump can change anytime. He himself says it can change anytime. So anything that gets agreed can change, because if everything is surrendered or agreed with Trump theoretically, then nothing stops Trump from making further demands, and India will have a problem in accepting those demands indefinitely. This is a fundamental problem, not just for India, but for so many other nations. Anything can change for them too. Brazil given a 50% tariff rate because the former president was someone that the present US president does not like. Now that's been reduced to 10%. 35% for Canada, up from 25%, and that may not be it. It goes on and on. So everyone is in uncertain mode, even if on the face of it, and for now, some sort of deal has been reached with the other countries that may appear more advantageous than for India, though there are other countries that are facing higher tariffs even than India.
Thanks for tuning in to CNBC TV 18, and for more news and updates, follow us on all the social media platforms.